Hello guys, I'm Ortal from Khaleesi Media. It's lesson number 5 and today we will learn how to get more clients with Google My Business. We'll learn how to expand your business online presence and interact with customers using Google My Business. Today we will learn how to message with your customers directly and privately. In previous lessons we learned how to set up Google My Business account, how to build free Google website and how to make posts on Google search. Today we will learn how to interact with your clients with messages. All you need to do is to install Google My Business app. After you install it, turn on messaging option and edit your welcome message. Take your mobile phone and search for your business. As you can see, there is a new message button right away close to call and direction buttons. Now your customers can message you directly. Congratulations! Now customers can message you directly from Google search. If you want to learn how to build a free website, how to analyze data on your Google My Business account, how to build a Google campaign or advertise your business on social media, follow my channel. If you need any assistance or professional help, you're welcome to contact me. See you in next videos. Bye guys!